Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set UCS for layout drawing, especially for printing layout. For example, we have here a layout and menu bar. We click here. You can select layout, set the rectangle from here from menu. You can just draw this one and just as require here on screen. Now we have a layout showing drawing, how to set drawing as proper positioning. But the problem is, the here drawing not set on UCS system for proper printing. How to set this drawing. You see this drawing not good for printing. I will show you easy way and quick method. First, my channel subscribe who are new on this channel for more updates. Here we need type a AutoCAD command. I just type here a command. You see the command UCS? Just type it and enter it. Now you have here XY axis as reference. Click on X direction. Just click on 90-degree perpendicular. You just click opposite as reference of your drawing, which position you want to keep it for printing. Now you can just type plan command carefully, just hit double enter. Now we have set UCS the drawing in good position. Z command enter and W command enter select as window. Okay. Now we have set on UCS. You can see the drawing scale in property. Now we just check the scale of this one. Go to property view here, is in scale 1:1 ratio. It's annotation scale. And custom scale is 1 = 2.385. You can just copy the scale easily. And here is already short way to set scale. Okay, you just put the layout of this drawing here in layout. We have already this. You can put this and copy, and here a set of drawing. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.